If you want big peppers and a record harvest, be sure to watch this video. Today, I will show you a simple and powerful homemade solution that can greatly improve the growth and yield of your pepper plants without chemicals and without expensive store-bought fertilizers. You only need a few ingredients that most people already have at home. Many people are surprised when they see how productive my peppers are and think I use professional products. The truth is much simpler. Peppers need warmth, plenty of sunlight, and loose, well-draining soil that does not stay wet for too long. Regular watering is important, but it should not be excessive. What truly makes a difference is proper organic feeding that nourishes both the plant and the soil. The first ingredient in this mixture is 1 tablespoon of dried nettle added to half a liter of warm water. Nettle is a natural source of nutrients because it contains nitrogen for leafy growth, potassium for fruit development, and iron and other minerals that strengthen the plant. In addition to encouraging vigorous growth, nettle improves soil structure and activates beneficial microorganisms that help peppers absorb nutrients more effectively. The second ingredient is 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. Yeast is an excellent natural stimulant because it contains B vitamins, amino acids, and enzymes. It promotes the development of a strong root system, which is essential for a stable and productive plant. It also increases microbial activity in the soil, allowing peppers to access the nutrients they need for flowering and fruit production. The third ingredient is 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sugar feeds the yeast and allows the fermentation process to begin. During fermentation, helpful compounds are released that further enrich the soil and stimulate the growth of beneficial microorganisms. Without sugar, the yeast would not activate properly, which is why this combination is important. Let the mixture sit in a warm place for a few days so all the ingredients can activate. After that, strain it and dilute it with at least 2 to 3 liters of water. Use this solution to water your peppers once or twice a month, about 250 milliliters per plant. With regular use, you will notice stronger stems, darker leaves, and a much more abundant harvest of juicy and healthy peppers. Be sure to watch our next video on your screen. Thank you, and cheers!